to go see, or we're getting ready to go to the airplane show. Sean's dad, my father-in-law, is coming to get us, and then we're gonna head out to San Diego. So we're gonna be in the car for like 2 hours. But they've been up early. I got them up at like 5. No, I got up at 5. No, I got up at 6. It was almost 6 o'clock when I got up, got dressed, because little Miss Paisley here, girlfriend has been going to sleep at like 7:30, between 7:30 8:30 at night, and then she'll wake up at 6. Drew, they don't think you know how to talk, because when you talk like that, show them how you really talk. I don't know why kids do that. Like, homeboy be talking, but he do this little baby voice sometimes. I mean, you are a baby, but he talks. Paisley. Girl, you're supposed to keep that on. I have girlfriend in pink today because everywhere we go, people swear that I have 3 boys. They're like, oh, you have 3 boys. Like, I went to get Chinese food on Friday. Oh, you have 3 boys. And I'm like, 2 boys and a girl. She said, I'm sorry. I said, it's okay. I'm used to it now. I get it a lot. A lot of people think she's a boy. She's starting to get hair, so I don't know what's the deal. But I guess she looked like a boy to everybody. So I said, let me put her on pink. And if somebody call her a boy today, I'm going to be like, what are you, stupid? Huh. Yeah. Yeah, so we're about to head out here. Well, that was quick. He was just talking mess. Good night.
Good night.
True.
Go on the other side. Tell him to go on the other side. Making my sound.
Oh, yeah.
Look, Drew, who's that? You all on your nose.
My dad.
Hi, honey.
Dad, you never give me a
Yeah,
hug or
he all on
anything.
his nose. You'll get down soon. So we're in San Diego. We got Paisley. I'm tired, man. He's gonna carry me down.
Yeah.
Where do you want the phone? Yeah, I'm about to pass out. Oh, at the airplane show. Like, I'm with Sissy today. Got the kiddo.
You good, Paisley? You good, Paisley? She good. Move your hand. Pop.
Oh, look, they got a little PlayStation room. That's where Tony would have been if he was here. Oh, look at that.
That's why all these pilots are looking because they never flown as F-22. They've only been out for a couple of years now. Then when it's over, all this stuff is still over so the kids can play.
Oh, okay. All the kids got the animals.
spend a weekend in Las Vegas.
Now that's serious roll right there. We got you're doing 2-point rolls, knife edge to knife edge. That's pretty cool, dude. All right, now the next one is the rudder, and that is one that has rolled one way and that goes back the other way. At about 1,500 feet above the ground, and then hard left rudder, some opposite aileron, and that's the hammerhead stall turn. He turns it on a dime and gives you 9 cents change. That's right. Oh, a 1 cent maneuver indeed. First time I've heard anybody call it that. But let's make it a 2 cent maneuver, okay? Now watch him set the vertical line. Watch the smoke change. Ooh, a little bit of change in the smoke there when he sets that line. The aerobatic competition judges love to see that. He gets to 0 airspeed. There's 1. And there's 2, the double hammerhead. John, that is freaking awesome. You guys work it out. Ladies and gentlemen, from the right, the world's biggest big lighter, it is Aftershock.
Aftershock. Boy, they're having a good time out there. Look where Aftershock is. He's hiding. He's just hiding from John Melby. It helps you to push the red button.
Creating his own weather system up there. 24,000 horsepower in that We'll not know where the ground ends and the sky begins. Spots on Sean D. Tiger's airplane. Today's performance. 2 airplanes, 1 minute 1. The Clover Loop. 2 air Oracle Challenger 3 and the 1,400-pound extra 300L that Jesse Panther.
Check Sergeant Louis Lopez from San Bruno, California.
Right.
Staff Sergeant Paul Stevens from California. Staff Sergeant Ryan Davis from West Virginia. Staff Sergeant